Today I've got a new product from Ultrahuman, the same company that makes the Ultrahuman smart ring. If you're interested in learning more about that, I'll put a link below to my written review on my site, The Gadgeteer. But today we're going to talk about their new product, the Ultrahuman Home. Now this is a monitor for your house that helps you get better sleep, reduce your stress, and improve your well-being. That is a lot of things that this little box can do. And if you look at this picture, it reminds me of like an Apple Mini PC or Mac PC. So let's open it up. And I'm looking at it for the first time, just like you are right now. And like I said, it looks like a mini computer, but it's not. It's got an aluminum chassis. It's got one button here. Looks like it has a status LED right there. Let's turn it around, see what we have. Looks like we have a button that lets you turn off the microphone, maybe. That's what it looks like, a little metal slider switch to keep the microphone on or off. We got a USB-C port, and it looks like we have a Wi-Fi on-off button. Okay. On the other side, looks like that there's another LED or a microphone or something like that. These might be microphones. And this might be the status LED right here. Now you can tell that I don't really know anything about this yet. So this is me unboxing it. Looks like there is also some type of sensor right here on the top. If you want to look at that. I'm not sure exactly what that is yet. So it was designed, check this out. It was designed by cyborgs in India, the UAE, and France. It's the 6000 series aluminum. It has some silicone feet on the bottom and this little pattern here that are actually little cutouts. Might be a way for heat to escape. It's really nice looking. It's got a chrome Ultrahuman logo right there. Let's see what else is in this box. Open it up, take off this tray. Looks like we probably have a cord in here. That's right. We have a nice USB-C to USB-C cable. As you can see right here. So let's set that aside. And looks like we have a little adapter, a power adapter. It's got the US prongs, but it looks like this can come off if you want to change it. We'll see if there are other prongs in here or if they sell it for different locations with pre-installed. Here's the USB-C port, and that's all there is there to show you there. Let's see if I can get this out. Yep, there we go. The other prongs for other locations. And what do we have here? Doesn't want to come out. There we go. Welcome to the future of healthy living. Ultrahuman Home is developed for spaces you and your family spend the most time in, and it will continually monitor key environmental health markers. With 4 essential scores, it empowers you to optimize factors like natural and artificial light, temperature, air quality, and noise. So this is kind of interesting. And it tells you what comes in it. And it has a short getting started pamphlet here. And good old safety precautions. So it has a really nice unboxing experience, kind of Apple-like. I'm going to set this up and I will report back on how I feel about it after a week or two.